Since the state is opening COVID vaccinations to a new group of kupuna, Wilcox Medical Center on Kauai is expanding appointments to accommodate residents. Joining us now with an update is Dr. Carol Fujiyoshi, Chief of Staff at Wilcox Medical Center. Good morning to you, Doctor. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Nice to be here.
Now the state is opening it up now to a new group of kupuna so they can receive their vaccinations. How important is this development?
Well, we're happy to hear that the state has provided access for the COVID-19 vaccine to residents who are 70 years and older. And we have received a good supply, and we are now going to be providing 300 appointments every day, Monday through Friday this week. And we had such an overwhelming response that we have extended and opened up appointments for Monday and Tuesday. And this is going to help us achieve that herd immunity that they mention on the CDC reports. So it's really important for everyone to cooperate and become vaccinated so we can reach that herd immunity.
And how many people have gotten both doses of the vaccination? And is there anything they should do to ensure they remain healthy?
So we have now provided about enough vaccines for 6,000 patients. And we still recommend the mask, wearing the mask, washing the hands, and the 6 feet distance of social distancing to ensure good health. There's still, even though we have the immunization, there's still some unknowns about it as far as if you're still able to communicate that virus. So we still recommend the mask, the washing the hands, and the social distancing.
Now, Dr. Kauai has been approved to rejoin the state's travel program, the Safe Travel program, next month. Are there any concerns that infections may rise again with increased travel to Kauai?
So it's encouraging that Hawaii infection rates are on a downward trend. It's a sign that people have been following the guidelines. We are concerned on Kauai that we could potentially have an increased incidence. We've had a significantly low incidence compared to the rest of the country. However, we do have access to the monoclonal antibody treatment to prevent patients from coming into the hospital. We have access to remdesivir, dexamethasone. We have 24 ventilators here on Wilcox. We have the capabilities on island in combination with HSCS to surge up to 31 ventilators if necessary. Our staff have been preparing with drills, both in the ER, ICU, the operating room, labor and delivery. We also have an excellent infectious disease physician and also a pulmonologist who has been helping us with the guidelines. And we have cooperation with our CEOs, Ms. Johanovich and also Rivera. So we have excellent support. We're very ready if we do encounter a surge.
And Doctor, finally, for those watching 70 and 74, and maybe those 75 and up who did not receive their vaccination yet, what do they need to do to get it? How do they make an appointment?
So they need to go online to make that appointment, and through either their MyChart or to go on the website hawaiipacifichealth.org/COVID-19 vaccine. So hopefully either they have access or their ohana grandchildren can help them get online and get their appointment. And thus far, the appointments have been seamless. The kupunas have been able to come in, and it's been a smooth process. I've gotten comments from the community how they have appreciated how easy it's been to get their vaccines.
All right, thanks so much, Dr. Carol Fujiyoshi, Chief of Staff there. What a Wilcox Medical Center on Kauai. Thanks so much for joining us with that live update.
Thank you.